Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to apply for a social insurance number after coming to Canada. Social insurance number is required for every resident of Canada if you want to work and apply for government benefits. Your SIN number should be private and shouldn't be shared with anyone else. Let's see how to apply for a social insurance number online. In your Google search bar, search for social insurance number Canada. Click on the first link which says social insurance number, apply. This will take you to the social insurance number application page. Read through the instructions carefully. And select one option. Here I'm selecting you are applying for yourself, and then you need to select your status in Canada. Let's say you're a permanent resident, and the mode of application, by online or by mail or in person. Select online. You need to submit some documents as part of your application. Go through the list and see which one you can submit. For the primary identity document, you need to provide at least one of these three. In most cases, you will be submitting a confirmation of permanent residence. For the secondary document, you need to submit a passport or provincial ID card, such as a driver's license or any other government issued ID. In most cases, for new immigrants, you will be submitting your passport. The third document is a proof of address. So you need to submit a proof of your address in Canada. So this could be your rental agreement. Make sure your name is on the rental agreement. Your name in the proof of address should match with your name in your primary and the secondary documents. If in case your names are different, you need to provide a supporting document. Click on Apply Online button. You can read through all the terms and conditions before you proceed with the application and select I agree and then click next. Under the application type, select first social insurance number, and then you need to type your name, that is your first name, and then your family name or the last name, and then your date of birth, and then a local Canadian phone number, and then the preferred language of correspondence, either English or French. And then you need to enter your last name again here, and then your parents' first name, could be your father or your mother, and then their last name, select your gender, either male or female, and then select your status in Canada. I'm selecting permanent resident. And then select the primary identity document that you will submit as part of the SIN number application. Selecting COPR, which is the confirmation of permanent residence, and then the city of your birth, the country where you were born, and then the province or the state you were born. And then I'll select no here because I didn't have any SIN number before. And your mailing address, make sure this mailing address matches your address in the proof of address document that you will submit as part of this application. Make sure to enter the same address here and select a province. Read through the privacy statement and then you can click next. Then you need to answer a few questions here. If you're applying for yourself, say yes, and you need to print your name here. Make sure you submit all these documents. Number one is your primary document, which is your COPR. Secondary document is your passport or a Canadian government ID, either federal or provincial, and then your proof of address. For example, your rental agreement. You can add the files by clicking this button here. You can opt for email notifications. So once Service Canada receives your application, you will get notified. You need to provide your email ID here, otherwise you can leave this as it is. And you need to certify that the information you provided is true and accurate. And once you click submit, you will receive a confirmation that your application has been submitted successfully.